In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate AI-generated video creation with VEO3, GPT 4.1, and Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable system that takes a simple idea in a spreadsheet and turns it into a finished video, then logs the result back where you started. We begin with a manual trigger. When you click Execute Workflow, you're telling the system to run only when you're ready. This keeps you in control, so you generate videos on your schedule and avoid accidental runs. Next, the workflow fetches ideas from your Google Sheet, but only the rows marked as ready in the status column. This filter is important. It prevents processing drafts or outdated concepts and ensures the automation focuses on items you've already vetted. Keep the word ready consistent in your sheet so the filter doesn't miss anything. With ideas in hand, the AI prompt generator powered by GPT 4.1 transforms each brief idea into a complete VEO3 prompt. It expands the concept with scene descriptions, visual style, camera movements, the main subject, background details, lighting choices, audio cues, and a color palette. This structure gives the video engine everything it needs to produce a polished result. For the best outputs, keep your original ideas clear and specific, and consider standardizing brand elements you want to appear in all videos. Then, the prompt is sent to VEO3 via the Fal AI platform to create the video. This is where your idea becomes motion. There's no manual copying or pasting, just a clean handoff from prompt to production. Complex scenes may take a bit longer, so patience here pays off. While the video is generating, the workflow checks its status through an automated request. That way, you don't have to refresh a dashboard or babysit the process. The system simply asks VEO3 for an update. An IF check looks for the status completed. If it's done, great, the workflow proceeds. If not, it waits 30 seconds and checks again. This brief pause avoids constant polling and gives the renderer breathing room without slowing your entire pipeline. Once the status is complete, the workflow downloads the finished video. This captures your output immediately, ready for review, storage, or publishing. Finally, the Google Sheet is updated with the video's URL, and the status changes to completed. Your sheet becomes a clear record of what's been processed, which links are live, and what still needs attention. That's the full loop, from idea to prompt, from render to record, optimized for speed, reliability, and consistency.